Yes, so I'm going to draw just a few birds, okay? I'm going to start off with a bird with a very long neck. But I'll start off with a shape, a circle. Draw a circle just like that. And then a beak. And now this bird was in the story. Can you remember seeing this bird? And a circle. And the eye just there. And then I'm going to draw a neck coming down like this. And then go round like this. And then draw a little wing like this. Then a little tail here, like a feather tail, just there. Now this bird has quite long legs, and I might run out of space on my page. I'll see if I can squeeze these legs in. So go down like that, and then draw the feet, and then go like this. And there you have a flamingo. And just very quickly, this is a slightly easier one to draw. So if you draw a circle here, and a circle underneath like this, and then draw some lines like this. So it looks like fluffy, like it's a fluffy bird. And then some feathers up here, and a wing, another wing, two legs, and then a circle, another circle, an eye, another eye, and a smile, and then one final one, a circle, a long beak, another circle, a circle, another circle, lots of circles, and then a wing, and then the tail, and 2 feet, and maybe a little bit of hair. And that's a hummingbird. So there you have 3 examples of birds. And as you can see, it's mostly circles. So this one is just 2 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles and some wings. And yeah, a bit of fluff.